Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Tiimo Visual Daily Planner. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a planner for your day. It is for people with ADHD and that have trouble keeping focus on what to do. But before we get into the details, um, while you're waiting for the next video, the scammers are still targeting you right now. And that's why I put together this research system that you can use right away. So the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see right here, we have it pulled up on Google Play. So for example, you have ADHD and you have trouble focusing on what to do. So for example, you have ADHD and let's say you want to do laundry. And then along the way to the laundry room or to your washing machine, you found something on the floor. And then when you found something on the floor, you picked it up, you threw it in the trash can. And when you went to the trash can, you saw that the trash can was full and then blah 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 and the list goes on. And you get sidetracked anywhere you go, and you never really end up doing the laundry since you got sidetracked so many times. And that is where Tiimo comes in with their visual daily planner. So for example, right here, everyone is different, plan as you are. They help you explore their content and let your inner creative shine. So these is basically help not to mitigate the effects of ADHD, rather by embracing it and building your plan or your day around your ADHD. So as you can see, if you're wondering if this is actually legit, they're actually rated 2.7 out of 5 stars here on Google Play. This app is great. It's just missing a few simple things. The app is horrible on an iPad. Just purchased the new Galaxy blah blah blah. That's not compatible on smartwatches. I paid so it has a yearly subscription and worked perfectly for a couple months. Now it's not responding when I go to update my calendar. So as the time moves on, the app itself is not very good. So as you can see right here, anybody here using Tiimo app wants to share their experience, and basically I found a lot of positive comments right here. So as you can see, for example, this person said, "Just found this post. I love the Tiimo. I'd say I get it also maybe on Apple Watch. I found it accountability partner. This and meds changed my life. Tried it for the most part, but Mobvoi Watch Google Fit doesn't combo. Wasn't great for it. Tiimo kept freezing, so they have problems with freezing with their app. So their app is not really good. However, their app is not a scam. They just need to optimize their app more. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.